welcome to your first day of your 5th grade math class. Okay, in y'all class prior to this, y'all probably learned about mean, median, and mode, right? Mm-hmm. So today what we're going to do is, first we're going to do a KWL chart. KWL is what you know, what you want to know, and what you'll learn. So let's start with the K. What is your name?
Callie.
Callie. So what do you already know about mean, median, and mode?
I know that median is the number in the middle.
Okay. Median equals middle. What is your name?
My name is Fumbi.
Fumbi, nice to meet you. And what do you know about mean, median, and mode?
I know that mode is the most number, like the most used number.
Okay.
Like
mode.
The most repeated number.
Most repeated. And what is your name?
My name is Courtney.
Hi, Courtney. Okay, what do you know about mean, median, and mode?
I know that the mean is the average of all of the numbers.
So mean is the average. Okay. So really this lesson will be a refresher. So let me put the average. What we'll do today is we'll put what you already know to practice. So what do you want to know more about with mean, median, mode? Fumbi?
I want to know how to easily remember all three of them because I get them confused so much.
The first thing you want to know is how to remember.
Yeah. How to remember all of them.
Okay. And you, Miss Kentra?
The same thing. I have a lot of trouble with the mean. You know, trying to average all of the numbers out. You know, it'd be hard for me.
Okay. And you, Courtney?
As far as the mean goes, I want to know why the average, or how to get the average. If it has to be in numerical order, or if you just do it by the way that the numbers are.
How to get average. Okay. Well, what we'll do next is we'll go into practicing how to get each one. Okay, class. Y'all told me that mean is the middle, mode is the most repeated, and mean is the average. Do you know how to get these things?
I think I remember.
Okay, tell me how you would go about getting the mean.
How I remember the mean is like, that's the middle. Okay, so the numbers, like if you write all your numbers out, it's basically the number in the middle. So if I did like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I think the mean is the average.
I don't know. The median's the middle. So number 3 would be the middle number, right?
Mean.
The median.
The median.
Yeah.
I said mean.
Oh, you asked me about mean? Oh, I'm sorry. Oh.
The mean is the average. How would you go about getting the average?
Oh, I don't remember that.
How would you go about getting the mean?
Just you take the number in the middle.
So when you say take the number in the middle, do you put them in order? Do you not put them in order? How do you go about that?
I don't remember. I think you put them in order, and then take the number that's in the middle, and then. But what if you have two numbers that's in the middle though?
Okay, we'll go over that. And what do you know about mode, Miss Courtney?
I know that the mode is a repeated number in the group of numbers.
So could it be more than one number being repeated multiple times?
From my understanding, it could be.
Okay.
So if it was like 2 of the same number and then 3 of the same number, the 3 of the same number would be the mode.
Okay. So what we'll do today, class, is, like I said earlier, we're doing the KWL chart. That's what y'all know about it. What do y'all want to know about mean, median, and mode? Do you want to get a better understanding about mean, median, and mode?
Yeah, because
Okay.
the mean, I'm kind of confused about, so.
So what do you want to know, Callie? About mean?
I guess, like, how do I number it up, and how do I even start to work out the problem to even get the average? I don't know.
For which one?
For me, I think. Or did I get it confused again?
For the median, I want to know how does it work out if it's like the amount of numbers is an odd number and there's two numbers in the middle. Or if it's an even number and there's two numbers in the middle,
Yeah.
which one would be the median? Would it be would the biggest number be the median or the? Yeah.
Okay, and you, Miss Courtney?
I want to learn those two as well. I already understand the modes.
So you already have a good understanding of the mode. Do you think y'all can use mean, median, and mode in everyday life?
I think so.
Yeah.
Give me an example of how y'all think we can use mean, median, and mode in everyday life. You go first, Kevin.
Well, with median, I guess, like when we're at PE or whatever, you know, some days we have the day where we have all the girls put on their colored shirts and the boys put on their colored shirts. So, you know, to try to figure out what student is in the middle, I guess you can base it off of the colored shirts
Okay. And you?
for the girls and boys.
With me, if we're trying to figure out like a class average, like if we take a test and we're trying to figure out what the average of all the students, then that would come into play.
That's a great example. And Miss Courtney? With mode, since you already have a good understanding, give me an example of how you would find the mode in something.
If you wanted to find out what's a good product of something, and you look at the numbers of each item and figure out
Like how many people, like how many.
Could you do earrings? How many pairs of earrings you have? The
Like
most amount of pairs
Yeah.
out of necklaces? Could you use jewelry? Could you use it in food? Dealing with you having more apples, then you having 2 apples, 3 oranges, 4 grapes. Could you do it with food like that?
Yeah, that's a good one.
Okay. Well, what we're going to do next is I'm going to show y'all how to work out mean, median, and mode. I'm going to give y'all some problems, and then after that, what we'll do is I'll have y'all come up here and do some problems out by yourselves.
Okay.
Okay. Well, we know what y'all know and what y'all want to know. Really, this lesson is a refresher for y'all since y'all been over this before. So I'm going to start with mean first. Okay? I'm going to give y'all 5 numbers. So this is how you do it. You say 1 plus, you go 1, hold on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. How you do mean is you add up all the numbers. Can somebody add that up for me?
15.
Okay. Since we know the sum, the total of all of these numbers are 15, what you'll do now is you'll take 15 and you'll divide it by how many numbers it is. How many numbers is it, class?
5.
So you'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 divided by 15. Which will give you
3.
3. Okay, let's try with some more numbers. We're going to do 2, 4, 6, 8. Can y'all add that up for me?
Okay. 6, 12, 20.
20, okay?
Good job. Thank you.
So the sum of this will be 20. And what you'll do now is what, class?
You take 4 and divide it by 20.
Because why do you take 4?
Because that's how many numbers we have.
So we'll do 4 divided by 20. And that'll give you what, class?
5.
5. Okay, I'm going to give y'all one more problem. Let's do 3, 6, 9, and 12. Can y'all add that up for me, please?
30.
30?
I believe so.
Wouldn't it be 6, 3, 6, 9, 1, 2?
What?
That's 12.
3, 6, 9, 12.
Oh, 12. Okay.
It's 30.
9 plus 9 is 18 plus 12 is 30. Okay? So we'll do 30 divided by what, class? 1, 2, 3, 4.
I don't know how to do my division.
3, 4.
This one will give you a remainder.
7.
Is 30.
A 7 remainder of
2. Wait.
Yeah, 7 remainder of 2.
7 remainder of 2. 7 times 4 is what, y'all? 28.
Yes.
7 remainder of 2. Okay, the next one we'll go over, class, is median. And as we stated before, the median is what?
the middle number.
The middle number. So what I'll do today is, since you said you had a problem with finding out how to get the middle number, we'll start with that. I'm going to give you a list of numbers. Okay, let's say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. What would be the median? Let me show you how you could go about getting the median. What I used to do when I was in school, I used to put them out in order and go like this. 1, 1. You get it? You take out 1 on each end. Another one, another one. That will be your median. The number in the middle. Okay? So, I'll give y'all a list of numbers and I'll have y'all do it. Okay. What would be the median?
7.
7.
7.
Okay. And how will we go about it? We'll take out the 3,
And then the 15.
the 15, the 6, and then the 10. Okay? So, how would you go about doing this if you had even numbers?
Do you mean even numbers, like the numbers?
An
are
even amount of numbers, because these are the numbers we use now are odd. We have 5 numbers here, 5 numbers there. What would you do with 6 numbers?
I don't know.
I'll show y'all. Okay. What is it? 5, 10, 6, 3. No, let's make that 4. 4, 2, 6 again. 6. Okay. Now let's begin. What did I say? How did I say we should start by
Cross
eliminating
out
our
5
numbers?
and
Cross out the
6.
5. Let me
Well,
get
with
the
this, don't you put the numbers in order first?
for the median.
Yeah. Do you like put like 2, 4, 5, 6, 6, and 10?
Do you need to?
I would think so.
Okay. So it'll be 2,
2, 4,
4,
5.
5, 6, 6, 10. Okay. And how will we go about it?
Okay, we cross out the 2 and the 10,
4 and
4
6.
and the 6.
Okay, and it leaves us 5 plus 6. So what you would do is you would take these two numbers, 5 plus 6, which is 11, and you would divide it by 2 in order to get the mode. That won't be even. Let me give y'all an even number. 2, 12. Okay. 2, 12, 4, 10. 6 plus 8. You take those two. The 6 plus 8 equals 14. And what you'll do is you'll divide it by 2.
Why do we divide it by 2?
Because it's 2 numbers in the middle. And you're adding 2 numbers together.
So it'd be kind of like how we did the mean.
Yes.
Is that, yeah, the mean.
Okay. And 14 divided by 2 equals 7, class.
So that'll be our middle number.
That'll be your middle number. Do y'all need another example?
And if you think about it, it's like what's between 6 and 8? 7.
Okay, class. So the last one we'll be talking about today is mode. Honestly, I feel mode is the easiest one. Okay? Okay. And how you get the mode is, that looks like I put it. Sorry. How you get the mode is, what did you say earlier, Courtney?
The mode is the most numbers used.
Okay. So if mode is the most numbers used, let me give y'all a number line. Okay. what would be the mode out of this line? 2, 4, 6, 8, 4, 2, 6, 7, 10. What would be the mode?
So on this, should we like put them in order? Like 2, 2, 4, 4, 6, 6, 8, 7, 10?
You don't have to with the mode.
Okay.
So what would be the mode?
Can we have more than one number as the mode?
Can you?
Can we, Courtney?
I
I
don't know.
don't know.
You actually can have more than one number in the mode. So what would be the mode for this?
2,
Yeah.
2,
4, 6,
4,
6.
6. So that is correct. You can have more than one number dealing with mode. So let me give y'all another number. Another set of numbers. Okay. What would be the mode for this line?
3 and 7.
3
And 7.
and 7. Okay, class. Y'all pretty much get how to do them. Okay, class. Well, we went over mean, median, mode. According to our KWL chart, the last step of today will be what we learned. What we know already is the mean is the middle, the mode is the most repeated, and the mean is the average. What y'all wanted to learn was how to start to get the median. And then on the median, how do you find the median when there's an even amount of numbers? Okay, so since we went over that, I'm going to give each of y'all a chance to do your own problem. I'm going to get y'all to write the mean, the median, and the mode. The first to be up, I'll have Miss Kentrell.
Okay. So I'm finding the mean right here.
The mean, the median, and the mode.
Okay. This is the median.
Okay.
Okay, and then median, that's the number in the middle. Okay, so that's one. 14 is my median?
Yes, correct.
Okay, and then in my mode, okay, we have 13. 13.
That is
It shows it 4 times.
That is correct. You did a great job. Okay, next we'll have, clap for her class. Next we'll have Miss Fumi.
Well, first of all, I know that I won't have a mode because each number is only repeated once.
Okay,
And
correct.
then- yeah, and then my middle number, since I have 2 middle numbers, it would be 2 plus 4, which is 6, and then 6 divided by 2.
And do you remember why we divided by 2?
Because it's 2 numbers in the middle.
Correct.
So it would be 3.
Okay.
My median would be 3.
And how do you do the mean?
That's the average, so I would take 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7, which is
14.
14. And then I would divide it by 4, which would be 3.5.
Good job.
And then that would be my average.
That is correct. Fumbi. And next we'll have, give her a hand clap class. And next we'll have Courtney. Come on up. Okay. Now, Courtney, what we'll do now is I need you to do the mean, the median, and the mode.
Okay.
You have it.
So the mean is the average. So all these numbers equal 105.
Good job. That was quick, man.
Thank you. Okay, so 105.
And then what is the next step of the mean?
You divide it by how many numbers it is.
Okay.
10. So 105 divided by 10 is 10.5.
Correct.
What? Yeah. And then the mode is the most. So the mode is 11 because it was used 3 times.
Do you have more than one mode in the number line?
Oh, and 10. Because it's 3 right here and 3 right here. And then the median is the median is the middle number. So since it's already in order, you cross out these 2, 3, 4. So I gotta add these?
Yes. And divide them by what?
2. So 2 divided by 11 is 10.5.
Good job.
Good job.
That was good.
Okay,
You
class.
had some hard problems.
Yeah.
Theirs
No, I
was
was
really
saying- I was
hard.
saying 20.
Okay, class. Well, what we've learned today was that you can actually have more than one mode. You can actually have more than one mode. And how you get the middle number, which is a median, when there's an even set of numbers, is you add them together. You add the 2 numbers in the middle together and you divide them by 2. How do you get the mean?
The mean, you add all your numbers together, and then you divide it by the amount of numbers that you have.
Okay, good. Okay, class. So tomorrow in class, what we'll do is we'll have a test over mean, median, mode. And what I'll ask for next class is that y'all have no cell phones, because we don't need any cell phones ringing, disrupting the class, and you've been texting all class.
Now we're going to get in trouble with you.